Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with fuel, oil, and safety. Now get going. Confirm fresh gas and the correct oil level. Once done, prime and choke per the splitter's label. You mount the log onto the cradle so the bark side is up and the log sits 1/2 to 2 inches against the wedge. You engage the throttle slowly and press the control lever to begin a steady, controlled ram. Keep hands clear and maintain a neutral stance. This prevents kickback and gives you control. You now move into the heart of splitting. Control and judgment matter. Once the wedge bites, keep steady pressure. Do not force it if resistance spikes, because binding will stall or damage the unit. When knots or twisted grain appear, stop and rotate or flip the log so the wedge follows the straightest path. This reduces stress on the cylinder. If a section is chronic, pre-cut with a chainsaw, make sure the engine is off before using other tools. Then resume splitting with even strokes. You finish by lowering the ram fully, idling the engine down and switching it off. Once cooled, remove or cap the fuel for storage. Then inspect hydraulics and fasteners. Look for leaks, loose bolts, or low fluid. If the log binds, don't pry with metal tools. Instead, reverse the control to retract the ram or tap the log free with a wooden block to avoid bending the wedge. If the splitter won't cycle, check fuel, spark, and hydraulic level before calling a technician.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.